So what we do with the Safe Search cleanup, and this is actually a way that we can automate the cleanup for you. So, you can wipe out literally hundreds or thousands of Safe Searches in a very short period of time. So what the automated Safe Search allows you to do is build out a rule set that defines what is considered an unused Safe Search. And so, for example, here we're looking at date last used of more than 13 months. There's some default rules that Strongpoint builds in so that we're not looking at searches from managed bundles or any of them with dependencies, or that extends also to role dependencies and group dependencies and things like that. So we're not going to archive anything that's complex. You're basically going to archive things that people like me build. You can choose to include or exclude private searches. You can also choose to not apply this to specific groups of people or specific people. If you don't want to be getting rid of the CFO's searches, for example, then you can do that. And so what you'll do, and I'll just kind of give you a quick look here, is you'd be able to kind of filter all of this out. You can hit preview, and Strongpoint's automatically going to go out and find all of the saved searches that fall into those categories, right, based on the filters of the rule set that you've built out. And then you can choose to go in and review them and look at, okay, who owns them and date created and last used and so on and so forth, and the employees that are using them. You can choose to include them in the cleanup, or you can choose to retain the saved search. You can also do things like choose to send an email notification or a series of email notifications out to the owners, letting them know. So for me, as an example, it's not uncommon to wake up in the morning and see a notice saying that one of my old saved searches is going to be archived, and to say, let me know if you want to keep it. And I just ignore them and they get archived. So, great way to kind of add some structure and some automation to save you time and just eliminate a lot of the clutter, and just to keep only the saved searches that you actually need.